Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
JAZOMY home. Okay guys, welcome to our channel, and as you can see we have a house on the back. It's because we are in Puerto Rico. This is where we born, and we actually have a house here in Puerto Rico that you and my dad
I made it with my father-in-law.
Yeah.
We built it in about a year.
Yes.
That was back in 2015. We've been in Florida for about almost 6 years now, and this is the first time that we come back here to Puerto Rico
to
see how is our house.
Yeah, I cry a little bit.
This house have so much emotional value for us, and we want to take care of it.
So we came, and now we need to fix the house a little bit, give it some paint, some love. If you like wood pieces that are damaged, we need to fix that. So now we're going to show you how the house looks on the outside and how it looks on the inside. Are you ready for our Puerto Rico house tour? Let's go. To our home.
We have some furniture that wasn't ours exactly, but we had some in the bedroom.
Yeah,
were the actual ones that we left.
We can sleep tonight, right?
And we have some pets from our neighbor.
I think this is Twilight, and I don't know this one. Our kids named them. So now this is our rug. A top, and yeah, we have a big mess because we plan to paint here and everything, but yeah, this is our home.
Clean.
Yes. So how big this house is?
It is 24 by 32.
Yeah. It has 3 bedrooms,
3 beds, 1 bath.
Yes.
Kitchen, and
we have like no dining room, but
we have no dining room. We actually we're like short on budget at the moment when we construct this house, so we make everything like all together. This is the kitchen, but actually it was supposed to be the dining room at the same time, the entryway all together.
Yes.
So yeah, this is the kitchen.
Someone did this for us. This is like the only furniture that we used to have in our kitchen. Super small, I know, but it works. Here we're supposed to have the refrigerator, and on this side the stove. We used to have this one here too, that we put the microwave, and I think
it was the microwave and the trash can.
Oh yeah, here.
And
all of the bowls,
plates and cups. Yeah, this was DIY made from my father-in-law.
Yeah.
Yeah,
he did that for us. But yeah, so here is the entryway. We have the front door, and yeah, we have this big space. I never did anything on this area. Basically, we just live like this. We live in this house only for like 2 years, right?
Our living room. This wasn't actually ours.
No, that's
somebody brought it here. I don't know.
I think my mom. Yeah.
Your mom.
Yeah.
At least for now it works.
Yeah, we have something to sit on.
Something at least to rest for now.
And this is new. And this is new because people used to visit the house just to see, maybe to rent it. It's kind of like a fence, because if we open this door,
yeah, there's no stairs, so there's like free fall.
Yeah, basically on this door. So yeah, we put that just to make sure that
this is a security.
yeah. But this is the living room, and I think this living room is 9 by 13. Yeah, super small, but it works.
So welcome to our weird hallway. It's kind of like a L design. Look at that.
Yeah. It's so cool because we did it the way that we want to on a budget, but yeah. So this is the master bedroom. This is the bed that we used to have. These are not ours, but we have them. So yeah, you're good. Maybe
It was a gift from my mom.
yeah, and the dresser too. And this is the closet.
We never finished the doors in the closets because we lived just for 2 years here. We were
so
I mean, it was good moments, but we never had like
a lot of money to do anything, basically.
a lot of budget for finishing everything.
So let me open this. So we used to have like just curtains to cover everything. We have some stuff, towels and things like that. But this is the closet. Now let's go to my son's bedroom. This is the first bedroom that we did because, like I said, like the week after that, he born. So yeah. So this is the my son's bedroom. When he born, we have like the bed in here and everything. Then we changed the crib for this bed that someone gave to us, and he used to love this bed so much. But yeah. And the closet too, we just have like curtains. Now I'm going to show you my daughter's bedroom. It's this way. It's all pink. I don't know why I did this. We used to have a crib and everything because she was a baby. We moved to Florida when she would have like 1 year, something like that, right? So yeah, a small dresser, some flowers, and everything is pink. I don't know why I did that. But yeah, and this is the closet. We never finished this closet. It didn't have like the curtains and anything, so. Now I'm going to show you the bathroom. He's gonna show you the bathroom because they did it, and I actually love that bathroom so much.
Here in Puerto Rico, we normally use ceramic tiles halfway in the bathrooms, but this time in this bathroom we decided to do it all the way to the ceiling because here we don't normally use bathroom extractors to get all the heat from the heater and vapors, and it gets pretty wet. So this bathroom, we made it out of concrete and block and steel. So just in case something happens like hurricanes or tornadoes that are not really common here, but it might happen.
Hurricanes, yes.
Hurricanes, yes, all the time, but not tornadoes. But just in case, this is kind of like a bunker, basically.
For us.
Made out of concrete. Yeah.
So it's pretty safe in here. This is the safest part of our home. And this bathroom was not on a budget. Well, we did it on a budget, but it was basically like the
most expensive part of the house.
Yes, the bathroom, because all of the tile and the concrete. So that's it.
Yes, this is our house in Puerto Rico.
It's pretty small, just 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and a small kitchen and living room, but I really like it. I miss this house.
So many good memories here.
Yeah.
And we miss this place.
Yeah.
We really, when we travel here and we see how the house looks, it kind of makes us think, you know, like to move back here and maybe buy many other stuff.
Not pay rent.
Not paying rent. That's the part that must kind of like convince us in doing. But even though, I don't know, we really like where we live right now. And for doing that, we will need to think a lot of things.
Yes. So basically that's our house tour, and actually this house survived is the word,
Yeah.
to Maria, the Hurricane Maria. You maybe know about that hurricane.
Back in 2017.
Yeah, we used to live in Florida at that time, but this house, we lived the house just like this, and it survived the hurricane, and like nothing happened to this home. So
our family members were really amazed on how this house survived to this hurricane, because that hurricane was devastating here in Puerto Rico. And when they came here to the house, it looks like nothing happens.
Yeah.
And we were really happy at the moment, because we were really concerned, because even though we live in Florida, if something happens to us over there, we have something here in Puerto Rico that we can take advantage of.
Yeah. It's a house.
It's our house. I mean, if we need to move for an emergency, we can do it right away without thinking about anything else.
We feel very blessed.
Yes, we're blessed.
For that. So
definitely.
Yeah. So what do you think?
Let us know what you think.
And let us know in the comments what do you think about this house. I don't know, we are very happy that we have it and proud of how strong it is, how strong you did it, and my dad, because I mean, like, we do so many DIYs, small things, like, I don't know, like a bench, like a small table, entryway.
But these have been the biggest DIY that I've made in my life.
And it was basically your first.
My first one. Yeah, this is where I learned basically all the skills that I know right now, just because we worked in this house for a whole year, woodworking, concrete working,
everything.
I mean, everything. We did
and
everything.
I was like this with a big belly because of my son.
Yeah, she was pregnant at the time. So.
I was like this. But yeah.
It was fun. It was fun. Nice day.
It was so tired too.
Because we were in college.
Yeah.
We both were in college. We had full-time jobs, and also we were constructing this house
for a whole year. And I was pregnant.
Yes, and she was pregnant too.
So crazy. But yeah.
Anyways, let us know in the comment down below if you like this video. Let us also know if you guys want to see something else.
Yeah,
and,
we're going to paint the house. Just give it like a small makeover on the outside, because on the inside is in pretty good shape. So we're going to paint the house, fix a few things that the house need, and we want to maybe make a video of that. Let us know if you want to see like a before and after, so we can do that video for you guys. Let us know in the comments, and please, if you like this video,
give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also follow us on our social media pages, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok.
So remember to follow us on our social media too, like Coffee Mug and Joy, DIY by Jazz, and all of the links are going to be in the description box of this video and every single one. We love you.
Bye guys.
Thank you, and bye guys.